you, Paul, and give us an example of a program that you snapped in a piece of the zero trust architecture, if you will, over there at CDC.
I would really have to point to, our privileged access management efforts. These things work when you have folks who understand the complexities of what that means. It brings the elements of separation of duties and least privilege, which are so critical in defending against an adversary. But our program is really advanced past just managing an Active Directory, but installing technology so that when we grant access, there's a lot of administrative and technical checks that are along the way to make sure that you're granted access to a use case or need that you need with elevated privileges. So we go through those checks, and before we grant that, we cycle your credentials, your username and password every time that you use those. We throw them in the trash, and then we watch them and make sure that those folks who are using those elevated privileges are staying where they should be. Are they in the building that they should be? Are they working during the times that they should be? Are they trying to give themselves more privileges? Those things set off alarm bells that make us all go running, and we're constantly looking. And we added to that over the holidays when we were working through the Christmas and New Year's times, looking at the Office 365 and the Exchange challenges we had, looking at those logs from what's going on in our cloud and our Exchange environments. So we continue to evolve that, and we're just going to continue moving that out to all programs, out to a mobile device and into the cloud. That is so critical for making sure that people only have the privilege they need for the job that they're doing, and then we make sure it doesn't change unless we actually make that change.